Hello there. So today's video is going to be rather quick. I just wanted to make an announcement that I do have an Etsy shop and I've had it for quite a while, but I haven't really been putting a lot of my stuff on it just because it takes so long to make each listing. So I wanted to say if anyone out there wants anything specific that they've seen in the video or they see here right now, tell me that in the comments section and I can try to get a listing for that item posted if you would like to buy it. And that's basically it. Not too much to say, but let's just kind of do a quick couple scenes showing kind of everything I have out right now.